Today's episode covers renewable-powered EV charging, a new BYD hybrid, a four-door AMG electric, plug-in hybrids overtaking diesel in Europe, and Volkswagen's full local production in China. Welcome back to Autonews Daily. I'm Leah Morgan. Let's dive into today's headlines. First up, BYD's Atto 2 DMI hybrid is drawing attention as automakers continue to expand hybrid options. The Atto 2 DMI represents BYD's approach to blending internal combustion and electric drive tech in a package that aims to appeal to buyers who want improved efficiency without moving to a full battery electric vehicle. This model underscores how manufacturers are positioning hybrids as a practical bridge technology while charging networks and battery ecosystems continue to mature. Beyond the product itself, the Atto 2 DMI highlights a strategic choice for BYD and competitors, offering a broader range of powertrains to meet diverse market needs. In many regions, charging infrastructure and total cost of ownership considerations still steer some buyers toward hybrids rather than pure EVs, and models like this are part of a balanced portfolio that can preserve sales momentum while enabling gradual electrification. For industry watchers, the Atto 2 DMI also signals how emerging technologies and system integration are being brought down market rather than confined to premium segments. Moving on to luxury performance, Mercedes AMG is stepping further into electrification with a four-door EV in the works. The project signals that high-performance divisions are adapting their DNA to electric drivetrains, aiming to deliver the brand's hallmark dynamics and styling in a zero-emission package. For AMG, translating the brand's performance cues, acceleration, chassis tuning, distinctive design, into an electric format is a major focus, and a four-door layout suggests a product aimed at buyers who want both performance and practicality. This development reflects a broader trend among luxury marques. They are integrating electric powertrains without abandoning the character that defines their sporty sub-brands. The four-door EV will be watched closely for how it balances range and performance, interior quality, and the driving feel AMG customers expect. For competitors, the arrival of a four-door AMG EV raises the bar on expectations for driving dynamics and cabin refinement in the premium electric sedan and coupe segments. Switching geographical focus, the European market is experiencing a notable shift. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, or PHEVs, are set to outsell diesel in 2025. This turning point marks a dramatic reshaping of fleet composition and consumer preference across the region. PHEVs combine an internal combustion engine with a battery and electric drive capability, offering regulated emissions advantages in urban cycles while retaining conventional fueling flexibility for longer journeys. The implications extend beyond buyer choice. For automakers and supply chains, stronger PHEV demand changes production planning, parts sourcing, and the allocation of engineering resources between battery electric, hybrid, and internal combustion platforms. For policymakers and fleet managers, the rise of PHEVs over diesel also means recalibrating incentives, urban access rules, and emissions accounting. While diesel's decline has been underway for some time, PHEVs overtaking diesel is an inflection point that will influence product strategies and regulatory conversations in Europe for years to come. Next, Volkswagen has announced it can now make cars entirely in China, a capability that highlights the central role of local production in the global automotive landscape. Localized manufacturing can shorten supply chains, lower costs, and better adapt vehicles to regional preferences and regulations. For Volkswagen, the ability to complete the full manufacturing cycle in China is a statement about the maturity of its local operations and partnerships. This move has implications both for Volkswagen's global manufacturing footprint and for its strategic positioning in the world's largest auto market. Producing cars fully in China can accelerate time to market for China-specific models and potentially improve competitiveness on price and feature sets. At the same time, it raises questions about how global automakers balance local autonomy with centralized platform strategies and how that balance will affect technology sharing, quality control, and long-term planning. If you enjoyed this update, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep bringing the news for you. Finally, the most popular story of the day: Tesla's biggest supercharger has been paired with a solar-powered Megapack storage facility. This integration brings together high-capacity charging infrastructure with on-site renewable generation and battery storage, aiming to improve reliability and reduce grid strain during peak demand. For drivers, the combination promises a more resilient charging experience and helps align fast-charging networks with broader decarbonization goals. On a systems level, adding Megapack storage to a large supercharger site demonstrates how charging hubs can act as both energy consumers and grid-supporting assets. Stored energy can be used to smooth peaks, shift charging loads, and potentially provide ancillary services, depending on how the facility is operated. Pairing solar generation with large-scale storage also addresses a core challenge for electric vehicle infrastructure, ensuring that the clean energy benefits of electrification aren't undercut by grid limitations or curtailment issues. Taken together, these stories paint a picture of an industry in transition from multiple angles. BYD's hybrid work targets consumers seeking incremental steps toward electrification. Mercedes AMG's forthcoming four-door EV shows how performance and luxury brands are translating identity into electric form. The rise of PHEVs over diesel in Europe reflects changing consumer behavior and policy impacts. Volkswagen's full-scale production capability in China underscores the strategic importance of local manufacturing. And Tesla's renewable-powered supercharger points to the operational and environmental innovations shaping charging infrastructure. Each development carries operational and strategic questions for manufacturers, suppliers, utilities, and policymakers. Will hybrids serve as a long-term segment or a transitional stop? How will luxury brands preserve driving character in the electric age? What investments will be necessary to support a shift away from diesel toward electrified alternatives in Europe? How will localization in manufacturing influence global platform planning? And finally, can integrating renewable generation and storage at charging hubs become a standard approach to scaling EV charging sustainably? Thanks for listening. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.